Come, dear. Take this.
Thank you.
Do you know what this is?
This is a mango.
Come, let's cut and taste it.
Yay! Let's do it.
Watch how I do it.
Wow, cool.
Now you can try. Do you like mango?
Yes, I like mango. Is it sweet?
Yes, it is sweet.
Mango is yumma.
See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.